तो इस साल का सीजन आपने देखा था? Did you watch this
नहीं
year's season?
एक्चुअली यार नहीं, आई वाज शूटिंग, आई वाज सो बिजी, आई वाज ऑन सेट, बट काफी आई हर्ड दैट सब लोग बहुत अच्छे कर रही है, एंड आई वाज एक्चुअली शॉक्ड दैट they made the show longer, or in
Yeah,
my time we stayed for like almost what 2 months and a half, 3 months, और ये लोग कितना दिन हुआ, I don't
4 months, more than I guess.
four
Yeah, around
months
4.
या 4 months, एंड जो लोग पहले दिन से लास्ट तक रहे तो हैट्स ऑफ टू देम, बिकॉज अरे बॉस इजी नहीं है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है।
Plus also, ये time जो popularity दिखी, like Siddharth and Sidnaz and all those things, आज खत्म हो गया है. Still they are trending everywhere. So did you
या
follow
फॉर श्योर।
any one of them, Siddharth or Shehnaz or Asim, anyone?
He came actually to the house when on my season 9 he came actually to Big Boss house, and I don't remember his show because he was promoting some of his show, Sid, and I remember it was Diwali, and
Hmm.
I was feeling really low. I wasn't happy. I wanted to be with my family. I wanted to be out. And I remember he came to me and he said, "Listen, I've heard that you've been not keeping well, and you're not happy. तो मैं तुम्हारे साथ डांस करना चाहती हूँ," and
Wow.
it was very sweet. Yeah, it was very sweet. He asked me to dance, and we did this like a minute of dance, and he was damn sweet. That was my first time I met him, and I think after that couple of times I met him at events. But I've heard that he did really well in the show.
His music album is also on the top one charts.
Oh, really nice,
Yeah,
nice,
yeah,
good
yeah.
for him.
So coming,
Very good.
yeah. So coming back to क्या cool है हम, that
Yeah.
movie, आप तो वहाँ पे अंदर थी, लेकिन आपको were you hesitant to start that film, because that movie was a sex comedy, which the
Yeah.
first two parts had done fantastic, but this one was going through, and the times were changing, with again films being judged for not the entertainment quotient but something on a moral values, which I don't agree to it,
Yeah.
because films have to be on film basis. But though the times were changing, and that time this movie was offered to you, were you a little bit, कोई हिचकिचाहट थी या कुछ?
Hmm. I think when that movie was offered to me, first thing I was really pleased that a company like Balaji has offered me a movie. That was the first thing. I was really excited to work with them. And when I got to know about the script, my concern wasn't about if this is a comedy, like a sex comedy as they call it in India, or is it it's gonna be about porn or porn star. To be honest, for me I was more than happy to be part of that project, because someone like Ekta, she's a super smart, intelligent businesswoman, and she knows what the audience of India they wanted, which is, if it's on TV, she knows it. On film, she knows exactly, and she knows how to package any project, and she knows what the audience they wanted. And to be honest, as an actor, you are there to entertain people. ये है हमारा काम है ना? और
Correct.
usually in life, हम as actors, हम as actors, वो जो character है वही character को खेलना है ना? We have to be that character.
True.
Example, around any of us life में, normal life में, एक्चुअल लाइफ में, कि काफी कैरेक्टर्स है ना? एक कैरेक्टर है जो हर रोज नमाज पढ़ती है, एक कैरेक्टर है जो हिंदू है, एक कैरेक्टर है जो सेक्स बहुत पसंद करते हैं, एक कैरेक्टर है उनका बहुत काफी सारा गर्लफ्रेंड्स है और बॉयफ्रेंड्स है ना? ये सब कैरेक्टर्स है. एंड
True.
व्हाट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ सिनेमा? स्टोरी टेलिंग, है ना?
Right.
कुछ
Agree.
स्टोरीज है ड्रामा के बारे में है, कुछ स्टोरीज है ड्रग्स के बारे में है, कुछ स्टोरीज है सेक्स के बारे में है, कुछ स्टोरीज है नॉर्मल लाइफ के बारे में, है ना? तो एज अ एक्टर आई वुड लव टू बी पार्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस स्टोरीज, एंड
Of
अगर
course.
स्टोरी में सेक्स के बारे में बात कर रही है, आई मीन बाय कमान, वी ऑल हैव कम बिकॉज आवर पेरेंट्स दे हैड सेक्स, तो
Yeah.
इट्स
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a double standard. Yeah.
it doesn't really bother me. And a lot of people after that also, the movie, we actually opened really big because our competition was early,
Yeah, yeah.
and we opened, I think, 11.8. There are a lot
True.
of movies which recently released, and there are big films, and they didn't do even well. So that movie
Yeah.
on its own space was quite successful. and I'm not. I don't shy away from expressing my character. जो भी character है मेरा. If I have to wear a bikini, sure, because I believe in being a real to your character, and if my director or if people are seeing me in that perspective, yeah, sure, why not? And I think instead of us being judgy and judging people, saying that oh अच्छा हाँ वो kissing भी कर रही है, sexing भी कर रही है, ये कर रही है, वो कर रही है. Instead of that, I think we need to start respecting everyone's career. We need to
Yeah.
respect everyone's choices, because अगर आपको पकड़ लो कि अगर आपको दाल पसंद है, मुझे दाल पसंद नहीं है, right? Your right is wrong to me and my right is wrong to
Agree.
you. So you can't really judge
Yeah.
anyone. Anji.
But last year you had some injury. I read about it. Also on social media, there was lots of when you posted your bikini picture and then the topless one, there were some people who objected over it. How do you take these strollers? It's your life. You can do anything what you want. But when there are this certain amount of people who always want to write negative, how do you deal with those type of people?
See, I had a really tough past 3 years, from personal life, career-wise. As you said, I had my foot injured because I play football for Bandra League,
Yeah.
for female league, and I had a really bad injury. And I've been through hell for past 3 years, but that doesn't make me rough, and that hasn't made me bitter and to be pity about things which other people they don't understand it. Again, going back to the point that I spoke before, is that see, when you become an actor and when you deciding that you are putting yourself out there, you are accepting that people are gonna judge me, and I'm gonna be okay with it, because this is an industry that I'm part of it. It's an industry that, as an actor, you let yourself to be out there naked. That anyone gonna come and talk about your films, the way you look, the way you talk, the place that you come from. Some people say you're fat. Some people are gonna say you're skinny. Some people are gonna say you're too small, too tall, too this, too that. So basically, I feel the moment that you have confidence, you know who you are, you know what you believe, and you know why you are doing what you're doing, right? That's the moment these kind of pity comments, these people who they mean nothing to you in your life, and I say something ki, you are not the one who's paying my bills. You are not the one who
Of course.
knows what I've gone through, right?
Yeah,
I'm
you
not gonna
toned your
judge.
body. You mentioned about it. You worked hard for that body, and that's
Yeah.
the reason you were celebrating by sharing those pictures. But they don't see
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, and also like another point is that, as you said, I work really hard for it, and I'm an actress. I'm not a teacher. I'm not
Correct.
a doctor who, if they show their body like that on Instagram, they have to be judged. I'm an actor. This is my body, my whatever is there is part of my job, and if I have to flaunt it and if I have to show it, that's my decision. And I think we need to start being a little bit more sensible and sensitive on what we say on social media, because it's such an amazing tool for us. It makes it so easy. Like, look at it now, right? I'm locked down, you're
Yeah.
locked down. We still can see each other, we can talk, we have conversations. It's a beauty of internet. It's a the
True.
easy that it makes our life so much easier. कि अगर आप सोचो कि अभी इसी सिचुएशन में इंटरनेट ना होता तो like what
My
would have
God.
you done?
Yeah,
I would
yeah.
have gone crazy, because अभी मेरा मम्मी यहाँ पे नहीं है, सब दोस्त यहाँ नहीं है, तो what are you gonna do? You're gonna go crazy, right? So instead
True.
of being so negative on social media, we need to learn to be a little bit more positive, to try to spread love, and another thing, to try to stay real. That's a main issue that I always talk about. Ki, a lot of people judge themselves and compare themselves to someone else who look the perfect makeup, perfect holidays, perfect relationship, perfect skin, perfect hair. We need to also, as influencer, as actors, as entertainment industry, we need to stay real also to our fans, because I have also my bad days. I have days that I got a pimple.
Yeah.
That's just normal. Or there are days that I can't work out. There are days that I eat junk food.
We
So
all
I
do.
think
Yeah.
we all do. We all humans. At
Yeah.
the end of the day, I'm sure also, let's say someone like Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan, yeah, they are superstar, but they're humans, you know.
No, no, I've
And
seen
but the
Salman
moment,
eating, hogging on biryani so many times.
yeah, for sure. I mean, all of us are human, and also I feel bad sometimes for someone like them because they are massive stars. The moment they say something small about something,
Yeah.
and people are like, "Oh, अच्छा, हाँ, तुम तो हिंदू है, क्यों ईद में आप congratulation बोल रही है? आप नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी तो ये है double standards. Like कहाँ का double standards? You know, it's a lot of negative judging, negative thoughts, negative comments, and I don't give any importance to it. I appreciate the love that people are giving me online, and I keep saying to people, if you don't like my page, please don't come to my page. This is what I want to do.
True.
These are the pictures that I'm posting. You either deal with it or you leave my page. I'm happy in my life. I'm happy with my body. I love my friends, and I love the fans who are supporting me and giving me love,
Of
showing
course.
me love. It's as simple as that.
Vandana, just an interesting thought. You said you shared like when you grew up, the times were very tough in Iran, where everything was restricted. And now when you see that picture of yours where you posted the topless one, which became
Yes.
viral, it must have been very empowering for you to do that thing when you look back and what things were and where you are now. I mean, hats off. What?
Yeah, thank you. Someone, one of my teachers the other day, what he said, because I was telling him, I feel really bad that I couldn't, मैंने actually university or college ये सब finish नहीं किया, खत्म नहीं किया. And I was talking to my teacher, my acting coach, and I was telling him, I didn't have the opportunity to study, go to school and university and all that. And sometimes I feel I wish I could finish that. But what he said was very interesting. The same thing that you say. He said, in life, a lot of people are smart and educated by books. So they've gone to university, they have read about other people, lives and things that has happened to other people. But for you, coming from Burqa, then
Yeah.
getting introduced to a new life in Iran, and after that deciding to leave your country, to come to another place and to try to survive, make money on your own, stay healthy, keep taking care of yourself, then come to India, learn another language, be part of the industry, then after that go to the show like Big Boss, which just blasted all over, and after that you decided to marry someone, and that marriage also didn't work well, and after that you left that as well, and then you got injured, you didn't have money, you didn't have work, and after all that, now you're here sitting and talking to me and telling me that you wish you have finished your education. My friend, you have done the life education, and you should be
Yeah.
proud of yourself. Actually, if people are reading about it, you have actually experienced it, because you're so right. Like sometimes when I look at those throwback picture of me in burqa and from my school days, I'm looking at that girl and I'm like, who is that person?
Yeah.
How have I changed so much and have reached here where I am, that where I can take a control of my body and post a topless picture and be kind of so strong out there and not even caring about what people are gonna say or what the reaction of other people is gonna be. You're so right. Yeah, it's very empowering.
Okay, we have some fans questions and सबसे पहले तो ये पूछा है कि again आज Majid Majidi's birthday is there and he's
Oh,
your
is it?
favorite director also. Yeah. So
Yes,
which
it
is his favorite film of yours?
Which favorite?
Film of Majid Majidi?
I think it could have been Children of Heaven.
Children of Heaven. Yeah.
Yeah.
और
Because I remember,
कैसा?
I still remember watching that movie, and it's one of the movie has, as a kid, for me, has inspired me in a massive way. It's yeah.
और थोड़े पूछना चाहेंगे कि आप जिस तरह जैकलीन ने आसिम के साथ काम किया है तो आप भी क्या आसिम के साथ काम करेगी कोई म्यूजिक वीडियो में?
किसी के साथ?
Jacqueline has worked with Asim. He was the second finalist from Big Boss. तो उनके
Yeah.
साथ काम किया है तो आप भी करना चाहेगी क्या in next music video with Asim?
Yeah, for sure. Please, Asim, please call me. I would love to do a music video with you, please. Yeah, why not?
And with Siddharth, वो तो आपको support किया
For
था.
sure. Haha, Siddhartha would be great because I know him already and would be really fun to do a video with him.
और इश्कबाज में आपने नेगेटिव रोल किया था, तो वो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था?
Um, it's actually a very interesting question because my last project which I just shot for Rihanna, which is the casino, I'm playing a negative character again, and so in
Okay.
Ishq it was the first time that they took me as the bad girl who's like really mean and coffee dark character. I really enjoy it. I really enjoyed it because in life I'm not that mean and I can't be so dark. So, and I'm not a very, I don't calculate all my moves, you know, but the character that I played in Ishbaz, she's very calculative. You know, she knows how to manipulate people and then how to do all that. I really enjoyed it, and it was my first time doing daily soap. And I salute whoever works on TV because you know they work so hard. You know, the lines and the script comes just few minutes before they start shooting, so
Yeah.
it's really hard work, and it was great to work on that project. Yeah, it was really fun.
और इसके बाद अब क्या हो रहा है? नेक्स्ट क्या है?
Actually, I was supposed to have a release now, इसी महीने में, at Z5 and Z Prime. It's a show called, it's a web series. It's the show called The Casino, and yeah, but the problem was before the lockdown happened, we were shooting and we had to pack up and we didn't finish our schedule. But hopefully, it's gonna release soon. And मैंने जो एक क्या है character है जो मैं खेलती हूँ, it's the first web series that I've done. I never done web series before this, and it's my first show where I'm a lead in the show, and I'm playing a very dark, very very interesting and बहुत खतरनाक है ये जो character है रिहाना का, and you know, because मैंने actually क्या किया है कि I was training for few months before this project. I started doing theater and acting courses. So Casino is my first project after my training, and you know, I can see a lot of difference. A lot of people are talking about how you know, my Hindi has improved, my acting has improved, and I can't wait for you guys to watch the show.
Wow. Chale, we wish you all the best for that. Stay
Thank you
safe,
so much.
and we'll meet up once everything is over. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Just give a
This
channel
has
ID.
Hanji?
Just give a channel ID. Hi, I'm this thing.
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
watching me on Bollywood Spy. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the interview. Hi, this is Mandana Karimi, and you guys are watching me on Bollywood Spy. And thank you so much for having me. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here. Same here. Take care.
And
Thank you.
please, guys, stay home, stay safe, and we
Yeah.
need to stay strong on these days.
Take care. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.